Hi my friends, welcome to another video. Today I just want to show us how to roast turkey in your oven. This is just a very simple recipe, very simple, and it is super easy. Okay, so I just got my bird from the grocery store and here I am washing it. So wash your turkey, wash your birds thoroughly. Okay, wash them thoroughly. Okay, so that's what I'm doing under a running water. So after that, I now added some salt. I gave it a salt bath. So you now put the salt to clean the skin properly. I eat chicken skin, okay? So if you don't, fine, then you can skip this part. But if you do, you want the skin to be very clean. So do the much you can, okay? So that's what I did here. And the next step, I washed it away. Okay, when you're washing it away, you will see some things coming out. So it is not shown in this video because it's not that very pronounced. But yes, in real life, there are certain things that were just coming out from the skin. So I thought those things should not be cooked alongside. So after that, I decided to make my marinade. So in making your marinade, make it your own. So I like hot spices. So I added hot spices and my favorite seasonings. Okay, ginger, garlic, pepper, and your choice spices. Okay, so that's what I did here. So feel free. This part is open-ended. So you add your seasonings, your favorite seasonings, okay, and just for taste. Okay, so after doing that, I added oil and then processed it. So that was my marinade. So I started rubbing it on the bird, but before I did that, I had to pat it dry, to take away excess liquid and water that is on top of the bird. So when I was done, so I cut the skin open. That skin was kind of used to hold the two legs together. So I wanted this marinade to get in every nook and cranny of the bird. Okay, so that's what I'm doing, putting all the marinade in different sections so that the bird will cook and have taste. Be very generous. I was very generous here. So all the ingredients I needed to make my marinade were here, salt and everything. So I was not putting, and then I baked for 3 hours. And this is what I came out with. Well cooked, well done turkey. And this was super tasty. I used part of it to make sauce. We ate some like this, and the remnants we left in the oven and shared, and it was tasty. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe, share, comment. I want to hear from you. Okay, until I see you in another video. Bye bye.